What up, y'all? It is Trend Out Loud. I have a breaking news story for you guys. I just came across audio of Cassie threatening a male worker, a male SEX worker, who claims that he saw a video of her participating in a freak off. And we have the audio for you. This is the audio that was originally played in the courtroom last month on May the 16th and is now out. It has just recently leaked. I don't normally do this. I'll normally wait till I'm doing a live, or I'll normally wait till I'm doing an official podcast. However, I had to get this to you guys right away. This is the first time it has leaked. If you recall, Cassie had previously taken the stand and admitted to doing so because she didn't want the tape to get out. This is crazy. For those of you who have not been keeping up or watching my lives, the prosecution is ready to rest their case. The last person that's come, I'm going to play the audio for you in 1 second, but I just want to set it up and let you know why this is so important and why I had to make this video for you guys. The prosecution is going to be putting up Bernard Paul when court resumes on Friday. Court was canceled today because of an alleged juror being sick. You can go check out our lives. I'll probably break that down on why I'm telling you it's alleged. Brendan Paul is going to come up on Friday, and perhaps the prosecution will rest on Monday. Diddy's defense team has gone from 2 months ago telling TMZ that this is going to be a defense about the federal government trying to bring down a black successful billionaire, hinting to Diddy's problems with Diageo. We thought it was going to be a big defense. This week, we told you guys that Mark Agafino, Diddy's lead attorney, is saying now that his defense is only going to be 2 to 5 days, meaning that defense could rest and hand the case over to the jury by next week, Friday. What happened to Diddy's defense team presenting a case and evidence that the United States government is literally just trying to take down a successful black billionaire? Now, I told you guys that I did not see how Diddy's defense attorneys, no matter how good they are, could present that case in 2 to 5 days. But I also said that maybe they feel the prosecution hasn't done their due diligence and they have poked enough holes in the witness testimony that they don't feel like they even need to put on a defense, and they just want to rush and get the case in front of the jury. And they think they may have won this case just with putting holes in the prosecution. Now this audio leaks out of Cassie. This is Diddy's defense and Diddy's people at work. Why would this come out today? The court was dismissed early today. There was no trial today. Tomorrow there is no trial with Juneteenth. Bernard Paul, Diddy's alleged associate, aka DRUG Mule. You're telling me it's a coincidence that he was supposed to go up on Tuesday? They didn't. They ran too long with the special agent. And then Brandon Paul was supposed to go up till today. And then all of a sudden now today, this alleged juror is sick. Tomorrow is off. And now this leaks. The timing is too coincidental. Guys, go to my YouTube page, go over to the live, and I break it down this morning on what I think is going on. Every single thing is strategic. At Diddy's level is strategic. He is a billionaire. He has influence. He has power. He has people working overtime every second, every minute, every hour. Things are being orchestrated to free Diddy. I'm going to play this recording for you right now, and y'all let me know in the comment section below what you think. Just remember, the jury is not a sequestered jury. The jury is not supposed to be listening to the media. They're not supposed to be on social media. They're not supposed to be talking to anybody about the case. We do know that juror number 7 could be dismissed because they think that he is allegedly speaking to people. There was a media leak on Monday. The judge reprimanded both the prosecution and the defense. The judge said, one of you are lying. Somebody from your team is talking. This case is starting to lose control. It's starting to go off the rails. Is this Diddy's defense team trying to get him a mistrial? Is this What is going on? Y'all let me know. I will do my research overnight, and if I find anything more that's coming out or any more predictions, I will come back here. I'll maybe do a live tomorrow and let you guys know and fill you in what's going on. Just because it's Juneteenth doesn't mean that we're not working. You guys know that we're doing lives 7 a.m., 12 at lunch, and at the end of the day wrap up. We are live inside the Diddy courtroom. And yes, I'm going to play the audio for you in 1 second. I just had to set this up. Y'all know how I get down. We are live in the Diddy courtroom. I see Diddy face to face every day. I'm beside his mom, his kids. We have access information. There's only 14 places for the public and for content creators, and I am one of them. There's 21 spots for legacy media, CNN, TMZ, etc., etc. That's a total of 35 people, and we are one of them. Stay tuned. Keep it locked to the Trent Out Loud YouTube channel, all our socials. We're bringing you the latest developments in the Diddy case. Here is the leaked Cassie audio. Y'all let me know what you think about this in the comment section below.
Yeah, you don't have to see it, but it's my life, and I'll kill you. Yeah, but no, I will you if you don't show me right now. I will you, and I will hide you, and I will cut you up and put you in the dirt right now. Pull it up. If you have it, pull that up. Because if not, I'm going to you, and then he's going to you again. So just do it. Pull that up right now. You got that pull that up. I'm going to you. You don't understand. I don't give a I've never anybody in my life, but I will you because you're with me. You're with me in my life right now. If I saw a video of you doing anything that you didn't want people to see, I would show you the video so you could tell me what the happened. You're playing games with me, telling me you saw some now you're saying you didn't see some you're with me. I'm going to you up. I don't think you understand. And it's not going to be my hands, and it's not going to be blood on my hands. Someone else is going to do it. So you have to tell me right now, and I'm recording this whole shit, FYI, tell me what the you're talking about. Because this is not cool. We're not playing. I'm not playing with you, Sugit. Like, you saw some yes, you're my brother. Be my brother and tell me what you saw. You're going to be able to find it?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy, Trent Out Loud. For more content, you could subscribe, download, or listen to the Trent Out Loud podcast wherever you listen to your podcast, or you could watch us on YouTube. Just search Trent Out Loud. For showtimes and updates, you could follow us on all social platforms at Trent Out Loud.